is happening with you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the info. We are hopping into a new video. Is that a G80 with a license plate on the front bumper? Yo, that did not look good at all. 5 little Edgars spotted walking the street. We in the info. It's funny, man, when I don't drive this car for like, let's say a couple days, people be like, bro, where's the M4? Did you sell the M4? Like, can I just like drive some of the other cars? We should have a pretty cool little meet tonight. It's gonna be a little 7-Eleven takeover. You guys already know the vibes. We've been there before, done it. For the first time ever, your boy doesn't need gas. So I'm gonna head out over to a different location to meet up with a couple of the homies. And then we're gonna roll over to the meet, man. All right, guys. Damn, B-Lock looking tough. I don't know, guys, since I have the Bellic, I think I might just black this one out. But look at this guy, pulled up with the Meisters. Damn, that shit looks good. Hey, y'all ain't got no E85? Weak. Very JDM. Sheesh, rich. Low key, it matches the paint like pretty good. Okay. I think you brought the wrong car today, sir. Dang. I see you, I see you. I think I missed a memo, no Meisters. I did have Meisters on this at one point. He took the drag pack off. He was like, bruh, I was sick of people thinking I'm 1,000 horsepower. That shit packed. This shit is crazy packed. And it just started like 20 minutes ago. Can't even get in there. Bro, it's like a whole nother car meet over here. I just wanna know what time these people got here. Damn. Oh, that's for sure a VQ. Oh shit, I thought that was Finding Nick for a second. Shit is clean. Ellen Mars on a F87? Bro, how far we parked is crazy. Where'd you tell me, sir? Air out on these peasants. I'm dead. A little Type R in the TEs. It's pretty saucy. Ooh, low-key, that's hard. Right-hand drive? First thing when we walk in, my boy. This is tough. My homie Jeff.
The purple one's over there.
Pretty clean white body. Okay. Bro, they brought a whole ass trophy truck here. What the f? There's no way he drove this here. That's crazy. Okay. IS 500. Got the ruby wrap.
You never know.
My boy got executive parking.
And paying attention. So can I get a yeah?
So much going on here.
Yeah,
The homie Paulie. Sick. Dang, full carbon, dog. It's clean. R33. Damn, somebody strike my wheels. It's pretty sick. The S15 is missing out right now. So many JDM cars.
We got another shirt.
Red R34 GTR? Sheesh. That's rare, bruh. That shit's sick. Check it out. Special 711 Supra. Pretty tough, pretty tough. Alright, I see you, my boy. I see you with the chrome Nismos. OGs remember that.
Yeah, this high too.
Crazy livery on that. There you know, my guy. Spotted him on the way. Shout out to Vic. Let me get those Meisters, man. I've been looking for this colorway. And this hatch is clean, not gonna lie. The works look pretty damn good on it. It's a HKS style interior. Sheesh. That's sick. The bagged R Izzo on the Addies. Homie Kevin. Pretty tough. What the hell? What the heliante? What the heli belly? Bro got an EDC car. That's crazy. What the? Bro, I just don't know what battery he got to be powering all this. Hey, you can't even sit back here. That shit crazy. It's clean. Hey, it's the little Forza car. What is on the roof? Those roof scoops or speakers? I'm confused. Damn, JDM shit.
Yeah, way to go, good work. There we go. Straight. That wasn't very, Did you need a joke? Look, I got no nothing.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Cash offer right now. Oh, this is gangster right here. All over Mike. Eesh, that Drabbit. That's clean. Little Evo. Ooh. It's your old card, huh? Damn. Jim's on his feels right now. Sheesh. Still looks clean. Yo, mean dub edition car. That's actually pretty hard. Damn. I got some 28s on this shit. You got upgraded brakes too. That's pretty sick. Yo, what is this? My boy got a Sedio? Yo, that's sick.
Some random shit.
That's pretty hard. I know the sun be melting his shit when he driving. There's so many cars here. All these people were trapped until 11 too. This is clean. Little G80. This is nice, this is nice. F80 Tizzle. Alright, I see what you did there. The chromies. Little G80. Fire. E36. Still cracking, man. Boy got a dirt bike. Good. Little E30. This thing's mint too. Pretty clean. I see you, my boy, with the weld. That's homie El Jefe right here. Sick ass. The boy is flexing. Okay. I don't think anything sounds better than that. Okay, little fifth Tizzle. Nice. Drift spec. This is like a party, dog. That's actually crazy. They should have made a black one. All right, guys, we hungry, so it's about that time to go get some food. Meat is still cracking though. Pretty sick. That's hard. Low key, we parked far as shit. Little drag pack on the Durango. Oh, okay. Found you. This light's looking kind of hard though. I'm not gonna lie. We out of here.